সবাইকে আমি দিয়ে বলি না, আর আপনারা এখন দেখছেন দ্য টাইমস অফ বেঙ্গল। আচ্ছা, আমরা বাঙালিরা ঘুরতে খুবই ভালোবাসি। কোথায় যাব না, কোথায় গেলে ভালো হবে, স্পেশালি ডামাডোরের বাজারে। ঠিক এরকমই আজকে ঘুরতে ঘুরতে চলে এসেছি দ্য ইন্ডিয়ান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মিটে, যেটা হচ্ছে বিশ্ব বাংলা কনভেনশন সেন্টার। আজকে আমরা জেনে নেব যে অ্যাজ এ বাঙালি আমরা যে এত ঘুরতে ভালোবাসি, স্পেশালি ডামাডোরের বাজারে কোন জায়গায় ঘুরতে যেতে মন করলো, যেতে আদৌ পারবো কিনা, কিংবা গেলে ভালো হবে কিনা, সেটাই আজকে জেনে নেবো কর্ণধারের মুখ থেকে। Countries are being represented this year by IITM.
Well, thank you very much for being here. Wonderful to have you. India International Travel Mart is being organized quite some time here in Calcutta, and this year, 5 countries are being represented here. We have from Malaysia, Turkey, from Bali, from Thailand, then you have from Sri Lanka, from Nepal. Various packages from across the world can be created. The exhibitors are here. There are a lot of destination management companies who can create packages for the entire world. But now, with the Middle East being under turmoil, and that has affected a lot of holiday plans. But here is an exhibition venue where you can make your alternative holiday plans. You can travel within the country. India has got so much to offer. There's so much to do in India, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari or from northeast to Gujarat. The exhibitors are here under one place. You can get information regarding various places. You can get first-hand information from various stakeholders, where to stay there, how to reach there, what to see in that place, how child-friendly the place is. If the elderly are traveling, how elderly friendly it is. Your food choices. A lot of first-hand information can be got here and from stakeholders on this bit.
All right. So, like, we've got like how can Kolkata get developed due to IIT that is being represented here?
See, at this exhibition, there's a lot of travel agents who sell packages for Kolkata as well. But as you must be knowing, with Durga Puja coming on, there's also a UNESCO heritage, intangible UNESCO heritage site now. I think it's fantastic. Calcutta has got so much to offer. The whole of Bengal has got so much to offer. Probably one of the, I think, as per the numbers goes, actually inbound has increased to Calcutta and West Bengal, especially over the last couple of years. I think this is a fascinating place. There's so much of culture, so much of choice for food. I traveled to Calcutta just to indulge in the food out here. There's so much you can do in West Bengal, right from Darjeeling to the Doas. Well, there's kind of variety, whether you're planning a pilgrimage, whether you're planning holiday in the hills, whether you want to go to the Ganga Sagar. There's so much activity, or just Calcutta. This city is a live wire, and I think people want to see what elections is also a good occasion for people to come and see how elections are happily taking place in Bengal. It's a party. It's a great election tourism is going to be big, and come and experience the food along with the elections here in the next. It's a good time. Summer is hot. The food is hotter. Please come to Calcutta.
Well, that's not very exciting plan, like a luxury or a travel or tourism plan for the Kolkata and the entire.
So I think you should also realize there are a lot of international connectivity that has improved from Calcutta. I think with Indigo is also starting a flight to Shanghai, right? Yeah, Shanghai, and this flight even going to Cambodia from here. And there's new destinations opening up. Connectivity gets better for people of Calcutta. The connectivity gets better, and Calcutta and people of Bengal. And they're crazy to travel. I think if you ask me, the only few communities anywhere in India which actually makes the budget to travel, right? So there's a culture to travel, the culture to explore our own country as well as various parts of the world. I think the time is good. I think it's good time to be in Calcutta to explore different destinations.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Soma was the coordinator for the Association of Domestic Tour Operators in India. This time, IITM has been, I know there's tough times, of course, a lot of things happening. At the same time, it's an opportunity for people of Kolkata before the season to come and meet with stakeholders, who come to meet you in different parts of the world, who have representing international tourism boards, hotels, airlines, international destination management companies, car rentals, virtually every sector of the travel and tourism industry under one roof here at the Vishwa Bangla Indoor Stadium, the Vishwa Bangla Convention Center here in Kolkata. I'd like to now give over the mic. I'd like to introduce Ahmed, tourism Malaysia or your
Okay, good morning, yeah, especially to the press. So I think like this year we participate for this IKM, yeah, with the main objective on promoting our country across Malaysia. And then of course Calcutta, we look at this one of these main important cities, yeah, that contribute a lot of tourists coming from India to Malaysia. And then of course we have Malaysia Airlines and Asia flying out from Calcutta to Malaysia. In terms of this, the tourist arrival in Malaysia, India became our second biggest for this medium haul. Medium haul mean the flying hour between 3 to 5 hours to Malaysia. So India we consider as this one of the main contributor. And then of course based on our statistics shows that the Indian travel to Malaysia they will stay between 5 to 7 nights, and then they spend a minimum of 1,200 US dollars in Malaysia. So that's why we look at the contribution of the Indian market are very huge. Yeah. So that's why we participate today on this weekend. And then of course we also bring our